Welcome to Car Insider 2024. Today, let's dive into the Porsche Carrera GT, a supercar that's a true marvel of modern engineering. Picture this: a sleek design, powered by a roaring 5.7-liter V10 engine, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. Inside, luxury meets performance with handcrafted leather seats and carbon fiber accents. Shift through its precise 6-speed manual transmission and feel the connection between man and machine. Whether you're cruising through the city or conquering desert dunes, the Carrera GT shines as a beacon of automotive excellence. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this legendary ride on Car Insider 2024. The Porsche Carrera GT is a supercar that embodies the pinnacle of automotive engineering and performance. Let's break down its key features. 1. Powerful engine. Under the hood lies a 5.7-liter V10 engine, capable of producing a staggering 612 horsepower. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that's sure to get your heart racing. 2. Sleek aerodynamics. The Carrera GT's design isn't just for looks, it's optimized for performance. Its aerodynamic shape slices through the air with minimal resistance, enhancing stability at high speeds and improving fuel efficiency. 3. Luxurious interior. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with performance. Premium materials like handcrafted leather and carbon fiber accents create an environment that's both comfortable and exhilarating. 4. Manual transmission. Unlike many modern supercars, the Carrera GT comes with a traditional 6-speed manual transmission. This allows for a more engaging driving experience, putting you in control of every gear change and enhancing the connection between driver and machine. 5. Precision handling. Thanks to its race-inspired chassis and advanced suspension system, the Carrera GT offers unparalleled handling and responsiveness. Whether you're navigating tight corners on a racetrack or cruising along winding roads, you'll feel confident and in control behind the wheel. 6. Iconic design. With its timeless silhouette and attention to detail, the Carrera GT is a true work of art. From its sculpted curves to its distinctive headlights, every aspect of its design exudes elegance and performance. 7. Legendary performance. Whether you're pushing it to its limits on the track or enjoying a leisurely drive on the open road, the Carrera GT delivers an exhilarating driving experience that's second to none. It's a testament to Porsche's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. The Porsche Carrera GT is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design that represents the ultimate expression of automotive performance and luxury.